Hey guys, welcome to section 7, chapter 7 of the geometry program. In this section, we're going to work on area of a circle, and then area of the sector of the circle. Both pretty easy. I think that this isn't going to take us too long, in part because I think you've probably already found the area of a circle in the past. So the area equals pi r squared. So if given a circle and radius 3, we could easily just plug in the radius, square it, and we would get 9 pi for our area. Again, we're going to be leaving our answers in terms of pi, so don't worry about kind of knocking it out on the calculator. All right, so this was for the area of the whole circle. If we want to find just the area of a piece of that circle, something we call a sector, and it would look something like this. In order to find the area of the sector, we need the measure of the minor arc, we'll call this AB, over the total distance around, which is 360, and then times the area of the circle, pi r squared. All right, so we need this minor arc here, and we need a radius. All right, so let's jump in here. If we wanted to find the area of this circle, area equals pi r squared. Radius is 5. We square it, and the area is going to equal 25 pi inches squared. Okay, pretty straightforward. I'm only going to do one example like that. All right, now what about if we wanted to find the sector, the area of the sector? So again, remember the area of the sector is going to be the minor arc over 360 times pi r squared. So we have the radius, it's 6, and then we just need our minor arc. So in this case, they actually gave us the major arc, and we have to take that and subtract it from 360. So if I take 360 and subtract 240, I'm going to get my arc measure to be 120 degrees. Okay, so now we can plug that in. We're going to have 120 over 360 times pi, r is 6, quantity squared. So now if you simplify this, this is going to give us like 1/3 pi. This is 36, 6 squared. So this is going to give us 12 pi feet squared. All right. All right, let's do another one that's like that. This time they give us the diameter, the whole distance across, so we have to make sure that we divide that in half to get our radius. So the area of this sector is going to be the minor arc. Again, well, I just keep using AB here, even though it's not even labeled. Over 360 times pi r squared. So in this case, they give us this arc because it's the same as its central angle, right? So that's 135. So now we just have to take 180 minus 135, which is going to give us 45 degrees here for our minor arc of the sector. So now the minor arc is 45 degrees over 360 times pi, r, remember, is 9 squared. All right, we're going to simplify this up. That's going to be 1/4 pi times 81. And then that is just going to simply be rewritten as 81/4 pi centimeters squared. All right, go ahead and leave it just like that. I really don't like the approximations on the calculator. Okay, in this last example, again, they give us the major arc when we need the minor arc of this sector. So we're going to have to take 360 minus 225. to give us the minor arc, which is 135 degrees. And now we need the area of the sector, which is the minor arc, 135 over 360, times pi r is 16, quantity squared. So if we do some math here, we should get 3/8 times pi times 256. And then if I multiply those together, I'm going to get 96 pi inches squared. All right, you guys, that's really it for this section. It's pretty straightforward. So finish up your notes, read through the examples, and begin your assignment.